Welcome back to Odom's Homestead down here in Zone 7A, Tennessee. Today, gonna be a middle of June garden walk and talk. Let's get to it. How y'all doing today? I hope y'all having a blessed day. Get away from our spice. First, we're gonna show y'all these tomatoes we got coming up. We got a few varieties off of here. You can see these tomatoes. They got tomatoes all over. Got a few varieties off of here. We got some Better Boys. We got some couple Belgian pink. We got like 3 or 4 Goliaths. We got jet, some jet stars. We got some Florida 81s. I think 81s. No, Florida 91s. My bad. Florida 91s. And you can see most of them has already got maters on them. Sitting pretty good. We got my global garden community tomatoes right here in this pot. You can see they already setting bales. So yeah, tomatoes to come. Tomatoes to come. Right behind this we have Blueberry Lane. We got blueberries galore. They starting to come in. And we got this 5-in-1 plum here. We got your Nat King cherries. We looking at strawberries. They still just showing out. Still harvesting strawberries like crazy. And look at Niagara. On the Niagara grapevine. Look at her. She is so loaded. She is weighing the line down. That is great. That is great. And I think if you got land, another Niagara grape. I think if you got land, you should be growing some groceries. It's a pink lemonade. It never flowered. I guess it's a Hatter blueberry. I forgot the variety of it. But yeah, they are starting to come right. That one I picked too early, but I'm gonna eat it anyway. You know your blueberries full of antioxidants. Look at my wife's granddaughter's dwarf cannas. Growing like crazy. Beautiful here. Beautiful. This rose did not come back. All the other roses pretty much coming back, but they growing slow. Real slow. See, we got some blueberries over in here we can get. If I can get up through this one on the ground. Look at that. If I can get up through another one on the ground. I'm slipping. I'm gonna go around the other way to get them. I didn't bring nothing to collect, to harvest. Yeah, we got blueberries. It's ready. This Concord grape is taking so much damage, but it is still holding fruit like crazy. Blueberry right here. It's a Climax. There's one right here that's ready. Got to get in here and cut back some of this comfort. Comfort is growing like crazy this year. Time to make some comfort tea. Glad I wore shorts with pockets because I sure forgot my harvesting bucket. I'm planning on doing no harvesting. Hey, groceries is ready. They're ready. It's my tougher blueberry. Look at that blueberry. Pretty good, pretty good. My cabbage took some damage. Starting to come back looking pretty good now. Some of them starting to form heads. Onions in here is growing like crazy. Some sunflowers I have right here. Forgot what kind of sunflowers they were though. Some peas. This is my Miss Julie. That fool you persimmon. She's holding on to one. The other one fell off. So we got one. The potatoes I just replanted. Look, more groceries. More groceries. Look at these gooseberries. I don't know if y'all ever tasted gooseberries, but pretty delicious. Pretty delicious. Groceries. Beans back here, the weeds I'm about took over. But yeah, they're coming along. I'm coming along. Peas right here. I'm picked them dry. That one like it's dying off. Starting to get hot. Put some more somewhere in the shade. This is my Italian honey fig. This is my Texas everbearing fig. Look like he might be ready to try to set some little figlets. Hope so. Blackberries are starting to turn. I think I had a couple on there, and I think the birds got them. So yeah, I have to net these. So we won't get none. Okay. Got that. That's my Violet de Bordeaux. Starting to set like he's trying to put out some figlets. We'll see. Move some Baijius behind this Niagara grape. Just really, absolutely. Tea loaded to loaded. Yes, it is. This right here is a Red Haven peach. I need to do some little pruning on. You can see some dead branches in there. Put that back. Back out of it. Cut that whole thing back. I'm not gonna shape this one yet. I'm gonna give it a couple more years to grow. This is my blue Thompson plum. Alberta peach, Bella Jola peach, bananas, Carolina King, move some Baijius. Look like they're big enough now that I can start separating. That right there is my Musu acuminatus. Pineapple guava, comfort like crazy. Yellow guava, another pineapple guava. Oregano, Bella Georgia peach, red nectarine, raspberries coming up everywhere that I got to transplant. Look like you got some raspberries right there ready too. I'll have to get over and get them. Yeah. What's better? Groceries. You see, I got pineapple, yellow guava. I got a pineapple guava, yellow guava. I got pink guava that's in a pot and a white guava that's in a pot. Fig cuttings, pomegranates. They come from my brother Juicy with Jace. Corn, onions, okra. Some red bananas that the wife got me. I asked her to get them. I was hoping, since we had that problem with that musu, I mean not that musu, but that with that hibiscus, that she would check the card and see if the zone was our zone. So that's my bad. She didn't think of checking it, and I didn't think of asking her. I was just excited when she told me that they had them, and I figured that was harder than I zone. So far the figs is growing, but no figs. No figs yet. Look like my little yellow long neck done kicked the bucket. I mean, not my yellow long neck, but my LSU purple. We're gonna give it a chance and see. Olympian. She is growing like crazy. Need to cut some of them branches off. They getting ready to turn the wood anyway, so I can cut some off so I can start getting me some figlets. This is Cialis. Look like she might be ready to put out some figs. A little yellow long neck is doing pretty good. This Minaj Tiger fig is doing pretty good, but something keep eating the leaves. I don't know what that thing was. You see the strawberries over here in this bed, they already putting out runners. Oh, the 6-7-year-old lemon tree going back. Some of these onions I gotta pull. They getting huge. Look at that monster right there. Another monster. That's a really good monster. Good God, he got some roots on him, so some roots. Ooh. That's an onion right there. Right there. Good size little onions. Cutes are starting to get pretty big. Setting flowers. So yeah, we get some cucumbers pretty soon. Damn, I'm trying to get some of these onions out of here. Get more room for these cucumbers to grow. I mean cucumbers. Cantaloupe. Got some cantaloupe and okra. Look at them. Okra setting flowers. I got some nice size. Look, some onions right here. 3, 4, 5 of them. 5 good size onions. Got a first little cherry tomato off yesterday. Off of these Roman cherry tomatoes. It's something I always do when my onions is putting tops with flour from the flour. If I don't want to get no onion seeds, just pull the top off of it and let it grow a little bit more. These is all leaning over. We don't want to pull them up. Hey, I'll wait a little bit while longer so we can get bigger. Look at the greens on them. You can make a green onion powder for days. Or just use them as onion substitutes. Or like chives in your salad. That's not what I do. I don't eat onions like that. Wife do. So my first one was a more blood orange, but now I think it's just a rootstock now. The one in the black pot in front of it is that brown Celeste Satsuma I just planted. Then you got my pink guava right there beside that. And then you got my little Agami kumquat. Then you got my Miwa kumquat in a smaller black pot. You got my Myers lemon in that white pot. Then you got my white guava. Last. All them strawberries. Go walk around here on the apple side. Call it apple, then I got figs over here, blackberries, bananas, herbs, Right here, some chocolate mint. A little figure right there. I just put over here not too long ago off of a cutting. There's another one right there. It don't look like it's leafing now. Well, it looked like it did, but like it died back for some reason. Bananas. It's at 7. That's at a Gala, not Gala, but Red Delicious apple planted. Right here, we got some little citrus damage on it, some citrus rust damage. That's a fig cutting I put there not too long ago. There's another one right there. This is my Gala apple. No, Gala. Arkansas Black. Arkansas Black. Take my little damage. Not from rust. Arkansas Blacks is a very resistant to that cedar rust. This right here is Red Delicious apple. You know, got the chives down here. Comfort for days. Crab apple. Odom apple back there behind all that comfort. Right there. That's the Odom apple. You know, comfort smells just like cucumbers when you pull it. My wife Rose, one of them. What is this called? This is called Love and Peace Rose. That's my little dwarf pomegranate right there. Looking lovely. That's my Gala apple. Right here. Rose of Sharon is blooming. And you got your lemon balm, oregano. You got the queen. That's a Granny Smith apple. You got some thyme back here. Some lemon thyme over here. You got your rosemary. And you got some more chives. Then you got the hardhead. That Honeycrisp apple. Yeah. That fig is growing pretty good. Look, that's off of Olympian too. The chocolate mint is real good to make you some tea with. If you like that chocolate flavor. Oh, onions. That's Miss Spiceland. So my granddaughter calls Spiceland. It ain't her name. Her name is Spice, but she calls Spiceland. It's a real beautiful sight. See everything growing. Looking pretty good. Some stuff taking damage, but hey, you take the good with the bad. Take the good with the bad. This year I don't have any fruit on my trees, but I got an abundance of grapes and strawberries. So, hey, what's better? What's better than that? And hope we get an abundance of tomatoes. My pear trees over there, they looking great. None of them has fruit on it. They looking great. So, can't wish for anything better than that. Thank y'all for tuning in. Remember, always count your blessings. Growing for passion. Odoms. Leave with them raspberry. We getting a few on me. They taking a lot of damage though this year for some reason. I'm hoping to move the majority of this patch to a different location. I think it might be too much sun for them. They're taking a lot of damage. A lot of damage. It looks like I'm just gonna get to it. Well, thank you for the tip. Growing compassion.